If you manage a fleet of vehicles, you already know how important it is to keep track of every driver, delivery, and route. A reliable GPS tracker can help you monitor vehicle locations in real time, reduce fuel costs, improve driver safety, and increase overall efficiency. In today's video, we're going to take a look at the 5 best GPS trackers for fleet vehicles in 2026. We'll cover the key features, advantages, and potential drawbacks of each option so that you can choose the one that best fits your business needs. Let's get started. Number 5. Designed to provide comprehensive vehicle monitoring for fleet operators, parents, and business professionals, this OBD GPS Tracker delivers exceptional location accuracy in a compact, ultra-lightweight 1.2-ounce package. Constructed with a durable, impact-resistant plastic casing measuring a minimal 1.53 by 1.77 by 0.87 inches, its discrete plug-and-play form factor connects directly into any standard vehicle OBD2 port within seconds, without requiring special tools, technical wiring, or manual battery recharging. Its primary performance advantage lies in its rapid 10-second real-time tracking update rate, paired with robust 4G LTE cellular coverage across North and South America, delivering instantaneous location updates and color-coded speed route visualizations via intuitive iOS and Android apps, or a comprehensive web dashboard. Feature-wise, the tracker excels in driver behavior monitoring by sending real-time alerts for speeding, hard braking, rapid acceleration, vehicle collisions, and custom geofence breaches, while offering automated mileage logging tailored for tax deductions and business expense reports. With a full year of secure cloud trip data history retained, users can effortlessly analyze long-term driving patterns and evaluate individual travel routes over extended periods. In real-life scenarios, the tracker performs reliably by keeping teen drivers accountable, ensuring the safety of elderly family members, and streamlining daily route management for commercial logistics. A unique design aspect includes built-in tamper detection that immediately notifies owners if the device is unplugged from the port. The included 5-day free trial lets users test app functionality risk-free before choosing an affordable subscription plan starting at just $6.49 per month. When compared to established market rivals such as Bouncie, which offers a 15-second refresh interval at roughly $9 per month, this device provides a faster 10-second update frequency and lower recurring subscription costs, though Bouncie retains a slight edge in native OBD engine error code diagnostics. Given its minimal vehicle battery draw, solid construction, and reliable cellular connectivity, it offers outstanding value for money. Ultimately, parents of young drivers, small business owners, and commercial fleet managers will greatly benefit from this versatile tracking system, and it earns a wholehearted recommendation for anyone seeking dependable vehicle intelligence without high recurring fees. Number 4. The Cube Pro Real-Time GPS Tracker is engineered as a heavy-duty, long-term monitoring solution designed to safeguard cars, trucks, trailers, equipment, and commercial fleets against theft and unauthorized movement. Built around a rugged IP67-rated waterproof housing with an ultra-strong industrial magnetic base, its physical quality ensures it stays firmly attached beneath chassis or under metal frames through extreme weather, off-road vibrations, and high-pressure car washes without requiring additional protective enclosures. Ease of use is a standout attribute. Pairing requires simply scanning a barcode into the intuitive iOS or Android app, after which the device provides true slap-and-track deployment without technical wiring or tools. Key features include 4G LTE-M cellular connectivity, pinpoint positioning utilizing GPS, Wi-Fi, and cell tower triangulation, customizable geofencing zones, instant movement and speed notifications, location history logs, and an integrated SOS button for emergencies. A unique design aspect is its high-capacity rechargeable internal battery, which delivers up to 1 year of standby operation or 10 to 60 days of continuous active tracking depending on user-configured update intervals, eliminating the hassle of constant recharges. In real-life scenarios, the Cube Pro excels at long-term asset surveillance, faithfully broadcasting live location updates across North America, whether monitoring construction equipment left on job sites or tracking fleet vehicles across state lines. When compared to popular market competitors like the Land Air C54, the Cube Pro offers a major advantage in power endurance. While the Land Air C54 typically requires recharging every 1 to 2 weeks under standard tracking intervals, the Cube Pro's substantial power cell drastically reduces maintenance downtime. Subscription pricing starting at $16.50 per month includes unlimited cellular data, flexible cancel anytime plans, and a lifetime hardware warranty for active accounts. Offering superior power longevity, all-weather durability, and reliable 4G coverage, the Cube Pro provides exceptional value for money. Overall, fleet operators, equipment contractors, trailer owners, and security-conscious vehicle owners who require low-maintenance, set-it-and-forget-it asset protection will benefit immensely, making this device a highly recommended investment for reliable anti-theft security. Number 3. The Bouncie GPS Tracker for vehicles is a highly capable telematics device designed to deliver comprehensive vehicle security, real-time location tracking, and driver safety monitoring for parents, fleet managers, and everyday vehicle owners. Constructed with a compact, ultra-durable matte plastic casing measuring just 1.75 by 1.87 by 1 inches, its lightweight plug-and-play build fits directly into any standard OBD2 port, drawing power straight from the vehicle to eliminate battery charging maintenance entirely. Ease of use is exceptional, as setting up requires simply plugging the unit into the port and syncing it with the intuitive smartphone application, which displays live updates over Google Maps with crisp street and satellite views. Performance is fast and reliable across North America via robust 4G LTE Cat M1 cellular connectivity, streaming continuous 15-second location updates while the vehicle is in motion. Key features include unlimited trip route history retention, customizable geofencing boundary alerts, speed monitoring, engine diagnostic trouble code alerts, fuel level tracking, and intelligent accident notifications that automatically alert chosen contacts if an impact is detected. A unique design aspect is its seamless integration of advanced driving insights, such as hard braking, rapid acceleration, and idle time analysis, combined with single-tap roadside assistance access directly through the mobile interface. In real-life scenarios, the device performs flawlessly when keeping teen drivers accountable on highway trips, tracking commercial delivery routes in real time, or alerting parents immediately if a family member is involved in a collision. When compared to market competitors like the Bouncie GPS Tracker, Bouncie stands out by offering a much faster 15-second update interval compared to Bounce's default 3-minute updates, alongside a far more modern and responsive app user interface, though Bouncie includes 1 year of service up front without an initial monthly commitment. Offering an affordable $9 per month subscription with no long-term contracts and the ability to cancel anytime, Bouncie provides remarkable value for money given its rapid data refresh, unlimited historical logs, and lifetime hardware warranty for active accounts. Parents of young drivers, small business fleet operators, and safety-conscious vehicle owners will benefit immensely from this versatile device, and it earns an enthusiastic recommendation for its outstanding reliability. Number 2. The no monthly fee 4G OBD GPS Tracker is engineered to provide seamless, subscription-free vehicle location monitoring and driver analytics for families, small business owners, and commercial fleet operators. Housed in a compact, highly durable matte black ABS plastic casing that measures approximately 2.4 by 1.9 by 0.9 inches and weighs under 2.5 ounces, its solid build quality easily withstands ambient cabin heat, dust, and continuous vehicle vibrations. Operating directly via the vehicle's standard OBD2 port, the device achieves effortless plug-and-play installation without requiring specialized tools, custom wiring, or manual battery charging. Its tracking performance is driven by a pre-installed 4G LTE SIM card that delivers global coverage across over 170 countries, transmitting rapid real-time updates every 5 to 60 seconds directly to an intuitive iOS/Android mobile app or desktop dashboard. Key features include customizable geofencing perimeter alerts, automated speeding notifications, detailed trip route playback history, stop duration logs, and comprehensive driver behavior insights. A unique design aspect of this OBD-powered unit is its maintenance-free, continuous operation with automated smart power management. It draws minimal vehicle battery power while driving, enters a low-energy sleep state when the engine shuts off, and features built-in tamper detection that sends immediate mobile alerts if the device is unplugged. In real-life scenarios, the tracker delivers dependable daily tracking, whether verifying adolescent driver safety on long trips, keeping track of elderly relatives, or managing commercial delivery fleets across multiple international borders without facing unexpected roaming charges or billing surprises. Compared to popular competitors like the Bouncie OBD Tracker, which requires a recurring $8 to $9 monthly subscription fee, this subscription-free model provides superior long-term financial value by completely eliminating ongoing service costs, although Bouncie retains a minor advantage in deep OBD2 engine error code diagnostics and automatic crash notification features. By bundling lifetime global cellular data into a single upfront purchase price, it offers exceptional value for money over years of operation. Overall, budget-conscious parents, small business owners, cross-border travelers, and fleet managers seeking complete vehicle visibility without recurring monthly bills will benefit immensely from this reliable system, making it a highly recommended choice for cost-effective security. Number 1. The Lone Star Oyster 3 Waterproof GPS Tracker is an ultra-rugged, wire-free monitoring solution purpose-built for long-term asset protection on vehicles, trailers, heavy machinery, and unpowered equipment. Housed in an IP68 and IK07 rated nylon glass compound shell, measuring 4.25 by 3.39 by 1.18 inches, its robust build quality easily withstands extreme weather conditions, ranging from minus 30 degrees Celsius to plus 60 degrees Celsius, direct high-pressure spray, and harsh impacts without requiring an external protective case. Ease of use is a highlight as its internal cellular and multi-GNSS antennas eliminate technical wiring, allowing users to conceal and mount the device covertly using cable ties, rivets, or stainless steel screws. Key features include 4G/5G Cat M1 and NB-IoT connectivity, high-precision positioning using GPS, GLONASS, and cell tower backup, geofence alerts, movement notifications, and an integrated 3-axis accelerometer for impact and tip detection. A truly unique design aspect is its power system. Rather than relying on a rechargeable internal battery that requires regular maintenance, it runs on 3 user-replaceable, off-the-shelf AA Energizer Ultimate lithium batteries, delivering up to 7 to 10 years of standby power or several years of adaptive movement tracking. In real-life scenarios, the Oyster 3 excels in harsh outdoor environments, reliably tracking job site trailers, marine vessels, and remote fleet equipment left unattended for months at a time. In emergency situations, users can switch to a high-frequency recovery mode via the mobile or web app for real-time recovery. When compared to portable competitors like the Landair C54, which requires manual recharging every 1 to 3 weeks, the Oyster 3 offers vastly superior power endurance and native IP68 waterproofing, though it carries a higher initial hardware cost of around $149, paired with a flexible $114.95 monthly plan. Overall, construction contractors, commercial fleet operators, trailer owners, and equipment rental managers seeking a true set-and-forget anti-theft solution will benefit immensely, making the Lone Star Oyster 3 a highly recommended investment for seamless asset security. That wraps up our list of the 5 best GPS trackers for fleet vehicles in 2026. Each tracking system offers something different, whether it's advanced reporting, real-time location monitoring, driver behavior analysis, or cost savings. The best choice ultimately depends on the size of your fleet, your budget, and the features that matter most to your business. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share it with others who are looking for a dependable fleet management solution. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.